to turn off read receipts on Facebook Messenger. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Messenger on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on Menu at the bottom right corner of your screen. Click on Settings at the top in here. After you click on Settings, scroll down and click on Privacy and Safety. In here, simply scroll down and you'll find Read Receipts. Click on it. Then, if it's turned on, you can simply click on Show Read Receipts and turn it off. Make sure the circle is on the left side. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to turn off Read Receipts on Facebook Messenger. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.